Okay, so this is the second video, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can really easily cut out images so that they can work together. So you can see the problem I've got here is that I've got a picture of a boy. Let's just undo that. And what I want to do is actually have this boy, but I don't want that background. So that could be a green background or any colour, but I want to remove it because it's not letting me see that laptop. Now the first thing I need to do, down the side here, when I select the image, you can see that I've got this boy on phone picture here, and I want to be able to edit it. So what I do is I right click or two finger click and choose rasterize layer. So I click that and I can now edit this image, and anytime you want to edit one you will need to do that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go across to my toolbar here and this fourth one down. Now on your Photoshop it might be set to this magic wand tool. Okay, but we want the quick selection tool. To switch between tools, you just click for about a second and let go with your left click if you're left-handed and choose quick selection. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to zoom in on the image so I can see it a bit better now. And what I do with this tool is I'm going to click the trackpad down and I'm going to hold it down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over the areas of this picture I want to keep. So here we go, let's go over his head. It's pretty smart, this. The computer knows that there's colour and there's not colour, or in this case the edge of the boy. So I'm going to go around him and I'm holding down the trackpad the whole time I'm doing this, and I want to try and get in as much of this image as possible. Right, I've got his leg, not quite got his foot there, so let's go over here and I'm still holding down the trackpad. Let's go and get this laptop now. There's a bit there I want to get. Whoops, I've got a bit I don't want to get. Let's go up, his laptop, and I'm quite happy with that. Now the problem I've got, look, is I've managed to grab this big white area here, and I've got a white area here and a white area here. So the first thing I want to do is remove those white areas. Now the moment I've let go of the trackpad, it's gone into subtract mode or take away mode. So if I click here now, I can take away these little white areas. Okay, and this one here, look. So I don't want that. And you don't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just like you would with scissors, you wouldn't have to be perfect for doing these cutouts. So I'm quite happy with that. But the problem is I've got this part of his phone here that I've missed. Now to switch back to plus mode, which is up here, look, can you see? Because it's in minus mode now. What I do is I hold down the shift key, and hopefully you'll see, whoops, moving back again. I just moved him off the screen. But if you look up here, when I press down, let's just show you, when I press down the shift key, it switches into add mode, and when I let go, it switches back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the shift and add in his smartphone like that. Okay, so I'm happy now. I've got most of the image I want. I've got rid of the bits I don't want. So my last step is go to select and inverse. Okay, and then what I do is I press delete. And if I just click on here, look what we've got. It's completely removed the background. And if I just do select, deselect now, I've got this picture of this boy with the background removed, and it looks really, really good. And this is how professional artists or professional photographers will remove backgrounds from images, or it's one way anyway.